When I have a lot of sourdough discard, one of the things that we really enjoy making is sourdough pancakes. I've made this video before, but I figured since we're doing the sourdough series this month, why not do it again? This ended up being about 2 cups of discard. We're gonna add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. That depends on how thick your discard is. I'm gonna add 2, we'll go from there. I go ahead and stir it up, whisk it up before adding my baking soda, because the baking soda makes it get fluffy fast. Mine is pretty thick, so I'm gonna add a little more milk. All right, we're gonna preheat our griddle. I'm going to turn both of my burners on and get it going. Now I put my 1 teaspoon of baking soda in. I use a 1/4 cup scoop. Oh yeah, my batter may still be a little thick. We'll see. My very first ones that go on the griddle never turn out pretty, so those are always mine. Does anyone else have that issue? I'm not really sure what the problem is. After I make my first few, they turn out beautiful, but my first ones are always kind of either flat or, I don't know, they just don't turn out. All right, we're gonna cook them until they're done. I added a little more milk to the batter. Since you're using sourdough discard, you kind of just have to play around with it. If your sourdough discard is kind of runny, you might need a tablespoon or 2 of flour. I added a little more milk to just help it thin out a little. Christine asked for mini chocolate chips to go in her pancakes, and I happen to have just enough for a couple of pancakes left, so we mixed her some up.